In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add domain to GoHighLevel from Cloudflare. We'll start right inside your GoHighLevel account. Open the workspace where you want the domain to live, then look to the bottom left of the screen and head into Settings. This is where all domain management happens and it keeps everything connected to the right location. In Settings, find and open domains and URL redirects. This page is your hub for bringing a new domain into GoHighLevel or connecting one you already own. You'll see three primary paths. First, you can purchase a brand new domain directly through GoHighLevel if you don't have one yet. Second, you can transfer in a domain from another registrar if you want GoHighLevel to host the registration going forward. And third, what most Cloudflare users will choose, you can simply connect a domain you already manage elsewhere. To do that, click Connect a Domain. GoHighLevel will ask what you're connecting this domain or subdomain to, and you'll see several options. Choose funnel, website, store, blog, or webinar if you plan to point a domain or subdomain to a specific funnel, your main site, an online store, a blog, or a webinar page. This is perfect for something like www.yourdomain.com for your site or offers.yourdomain.com for a funnel. Select email if the domain is being used for sending or branded links related to email. This keeps your sending reputation aligned with a consistent domain identity. Pick WordPress if your GoHighLevel account is running a WordPress install and you want the domain to route traffic there. Choose Client Portal if you're assigning a friendly domain to your client-facing portal or membership area. And use branded domain when you want GoHighLevel system links like calendars, form links, or tracking links to reflect your brand instead of a generic link. Once you've selected the correct option for your use case, click Connect. Next, type in the exact domain or subdomain you want to use. For example, you might enter yourdomain.com or a subdomain like go.yourdomain.com, depending on the asset you chose a moment ago. Double check your spelling here. A small typo can cause the connection to fail. Click Continue to let GoHighLevel run its initial checks and guide you through any remaining prompts. If your domain is managed in Cloudflare, follow the on-screen guidance so the connection aligns with your existing DNS setup there. After you finish, give it a little time for changes to take effect. Once validated, your domain will show as connected and ready to use with the asset you selected.